In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. Cloudflare Warp is part of Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 app and is designed to make your connection more private and reliable by routing traffic securely. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll add helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Cloudflare Warp and press Enter. On the results page, look for Cloudflare's official site that references 1.1.11. Selecting the 1.1.11 page takes you to the correct destination for the download. Once you're on the page, locate the Windows option. Click Windows, and the download should begin right away. Most browsers show the download progress at the bottom of the window or in a dedicated Downloads panel. If you don't see it, you can check your browser's download section. Give it a moment to complete. A steady internet connection helps ensure the file finishes without interruption. When the download is done, click the installer to open it. Windows may prompt you to confirm that you want to allow the app to make changes. Approve this to continue. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. Stick with the default options unless you have a specific reason to change them, and accept the license agreement. Then start the installation and wait while it runs. You'll see a progress bar. This usually takes just a minute or two depending on your system. After the installer finishes, it may close automatically or show a finish button. At this point, Cloudflare Warp may launch on its own. If it opens, you'll see on-screen prompts. Follow those prompts to get set up. You might be asked to review a quick introduction, allow a secure connection, or confirm a few preferences. Simply proceed through each screen, choosing the defaults if you're unsure. Once you're in, feel free to explore the app. You can view your connection status and look through basic settings to understand what's available. The core idea is that Warp runs in the background to help secure your traffic without you needing to constantly manage it. If you ever need to pause it temporarily, you can come back to the app and adjust it as you prefer. That's it. You searched for Cloudflare Warp, selected the 1.1.1.1 page, clicked Windows to download, installed it, and then followed the on-screen prompts. Enjoy a simpler, more private internet experience on your Windows PC.